Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction. Also, we're still in a downtrend as you see it. So the Bitcoin it's need to break for us that one that previous high. But my view personally to it, I know it what it's going to do. It's going to come and touch that trend line. Then another time it's going to drop again. Then after that it's going to go up. Let me show it to you in the chart for the picture to be more clear to you. Hello and welcome, my friend. We came back in another video. So if you are interested to our channel, please make sure to subscribe. By the way, also we put in every day 1 or 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin or the crypto world. So if you are interested, you can join us. And if you're watching us from the video down, you're going to find the red button. Click at it. It's going to become gray like that. Subscribe it. And next to it, you find that bell. You came to it and you turn it to all like that. And you're going to be notified every time when also we're putting a new video. So go ahead and do it. You done it. And please smash that like button to help us to put more content like this, my friend. So without further ado, let's go into start our lesson of today, my friend. Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction. Before we even start, I'd like to tell you a disclaimer because a lot of scammers, they came down and they started commenting down, they're writing comments by fake accounts and they send you to Telegram or WhatsApp. Don't go to anyone because majority of those people, they are scams, my friend. Majority of those people, they are scams. Be aware of those things. Me, my official links and my official social media, you're going to find it in the description of this video. You can go there and text me if you want. So, everything is too clear. Let's start our lesson of today, my friend. So, my friend, as you see that one here, we are in the weekly. And as you see that candle, what it did, till now we are in very, very, very nice profit. Because me, I enter from here, from down 17K, till now 24K. And me, I'm not going to sell till 60K. That me, I'm talking about investing. But for day trading and scalping, also we are going to there. And by the way, for the candle in the weekly, it's still for it 1 day till now. So, and when it's breaking that level here of 200 moving average, it's still stronger than it. And that one for investing, my friend. So as you see, my friend, if you just want to invest in Bitcoin, as you see, every time he came down to the 200 moving average, he going upward as you see it. Because also still here in an uptrend, my friend, as you see it. So, and now it came the opportunity, it touched it again. So that's the right time for you to buy, my friend. If you are an investor, everything is too clear, my friend. So, and now, my friend, it's left for the candle, that weekly candle, that one which is going now, 1 day and 9 hours. So tomorrow we're going to see what's going to happen. If it's finished like that, is a very bullish signal, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. So let's go into the daily to analyze for you more and to show you more clear picture. What is it there? Here we are, my friend, in the daily. And as you see here, that candle which is going, and we left it yesterday. By the way, if you haven't watched our previous video, go and watch it. Plus, we give you very highly accurate signals. We give you to enter from here till here. So if you enter, well, you make 4.99 is about 5% of your account within 1 day. And there is no one can give you something like that, my friend. And I told you yesterday in the last video we put, I told you need to sell here. Until now, if you see, let me zoom it for the picture to be more clear to you. Until now, my friend, as you see here, what the market doing to you, it's a rejection. And it's a big rejection. It's a format for us, a pin bar, as you see it, my friend. It might the market going to drop a little bit, then after that it will going up. The market will still going up, my friend. Everything in front of you, my friend. Nothing hard, nothing complicated. So, my friend, let me show you our indicators, what they're saying for the picture to be more clear to you. As you see, my friend, that one here, it's breaking up that long-term trend, that one was we being followed for some time till now. I'm going to show it to you when we come to it. Now, what we need that RSI to do for us, it need to come back again and don't break down again. If it's breaking down, that one just a fake breakout. It need to come to touch that trend line from up. Then it need to go upward and to break for us the last high, that one. So it need to make like that to break for us that last high, that one, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. Nothing hard, nothing complicated. Let me show you something else. And that one, my friend, as you see that indicator of us what it's saying, that trend line also we told you been following for some time from here and here, that the last time when it touches here. So also we been followed when it used the market used to be 60k. It came down here at near to 45k. So that's how we been following that trend line. And another thing, let me show it to you. Here, my friend, if we bring a trend line from that zone, sorry, let me show it to you. From that zone here and that one here is going to give us a trend line. Let's do it together to see the picture, how it's going, how far we can that Bitcoin go. As you see it, my friend. So the Bitcoin also is still in a downtrend, as you see it. So the Bitcoin, it needs to break for us that one, that previous high. But my view personally to it, I know it what it's going to do. It's going to come and touch that trend line. Then another time it's going to drop again. Then after that it's going to go up. Let me show it to you in the chart for the picture to be more clear to you. It's going to do like how it done here, my friend. If you remember here in that place, what the market done is the same thing. Is going to happen here. Like if you remember also from here, we touched that trend line here. Then it give us another low. But that other low, it give us a divergence, that a confirmation the market will going upward, and that was happened. So the same thing now is going to happen, my friend. So be aware of all those things, my friend. And another thing here, middle down. And another thing here, my friend, if you bring from here to here, as you see what the market give you here like that, as you see it, like that, give you like a triangle, my friend. So if you go in like that, it's going to connect those ones together. So now what we want the market to break up or down, like how it used to be, how we have it here. Sorry, let me show it to you. Try to explain like that for everyone to understand what else we're talking about. Also here, last time we used to have here a triangle like here and here. When it broke it went up. Then it gave us the market another triangle here and here. If you remember and you've been someone who've been for long in the market. Sorry that things that refuse to work, but it's okay, you get the picture. So when it's breaking here, you just come here, you calculate in the target like that, you put it here when it's breaking, it's bring it to you exactly the target. So the same thing now, also we're talking about long-term trends and long-term triangles, not short-term. So now if it's breaking for us here, you just come here like that, you calculating from here and you, sorry, do it together to show you more the picture clear, my friend. But me, I don't trade like that. I trade in a different way, my friend. I just show you now how it's going to be. As you see it, the target is going to be at 88k. Let's draw it there. So in the future, when it's going to be hitted, we're going to say as we draw it before. As you see it, my friend. So the target is going to be 89,694. That's the target. But me, I don't trade like that. Me, I always like to enter from low. Like here, I enter from here till here. I enter from here till here. The other time, I enter from there till up. And there is videos in my channel. I show you how much money I make from those going upward, my friend. In 2018, I buy a house, a summer house, just from the Bitcoin, my friend. Just from the... Everything is too clear, my friend. And another thing, if you come here and you see here in that place, from that place, here, and where is the market retraced last time, you can draw even there a trend line. Let's draw it together for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. As you see it, we got here a trend line, my friend. As you see it like that. So that one is a long-term trend, my friend. As you see it in front of you, it touch here. It touch here and it touch here. So now if it go back, it need to come back and touch it again. Then after that, there is another going up, but that going down is going to come. Sorry, let me show it to you. It's going to come when that one touch the upper trend here. It's going to fall down to touch the trend line again. Then after that, it will go into 98k, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. So let's go into the 4 hours to show you more. What is it there, my friend? As you see here, my friend, in the 4 hours, what the market tried to give us here. And that one is a bad signal, my friend. We don't want it to happen. It tried to give us here double top, as you see it. It's not confirmed yet. Double top is going to be tail. It's going to fall down here. So it's going to be like a M. And that one is a bearish signal. Actually, the market is going to fall down, but not that much, only to that level here, only to touch that zone here, or that zone we've been following all that time, as you remember it. And if you've been someone who following us for some time, smash the like button to help us to growing up more, my friend. And if it's the first time of you here, you watching us, subscribe to our channel. Also, we're giving every day free analysis of Bitcoin, my friend. So if you subscribe to our channel and you turn the bell notification, you're going to get our free analysis every day, my friend. And when we go into 30 minutes, we give free signals to day trade the cryptocurrency world. Everything is too clear, my friend. So let's show you more, my friend. As you see here, my friend, what the market tried to give you here, let's show it to you. Now what us, when we are live here, we seeing those things together, my friend. If you see, you got here in that place, that one, you got here a zone, my friend. That place here, you got a zone, is not that stronger, but is it a zone, my friend? And here, that for our candle, which is going now, it try to retrace back upward, my friend. Look at it. It's very stronger signal, my friend, but till now us we couldn't break that level here. Sorry, we couldn't break that level here, my friend. We couldn't break it. So us, there is indecision going on, and as you see for the candle, it's still for a 34 minutes, and it's showing to you indecision candle, my friend. Everything is in front of you, my friend. Nothing hard, nothing complicated. So let's see our indicators, what they said, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. That one, my friend, as you see it, us, we've been here at the overbought that 2 days now. And if you remember what us we told you before, we told you we got here like that, a trend line. It being touched here in that place, and here and here. Now it's need that one to come back and touch it again, and don't break it. Touch it, just touch it, then it won't go upward, my friend. If it's break it, that means also we are going to go down, and also we don't want that. So as I told you, my friend, tell now the buyers they don't got that power to push the price more higher and higher, because what can we say? Tell now just still professional people. What we said, because Bitcoin hold make it to go higher is when they enter normal investors, not institute or professional people that the job of them just trading every day. And those ones, they don't aim to stay long in the market holding. Those ones, they just want to enter for 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 1 week, 1 month maximum. We take in profit, then we wait in the retracement, then we enter again. So that way the market doesn't go that higher like that. The market is going to go more higher when it's going to be that euphoria and everyone he entering in the market. So till now there is nothing confirmed yet, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. So let's go into 30 minutes to see what is it there, and to give you if there is a daily or 2 day signal, my friend. So let's go in there to see what is it there, my friend. Here we are, my friend, in 30 minutes, and here in 30 minutes we got something new. If you see it, we got that one here and that one here. It gives us like a triangle from that peak here, and that one where it reached last time, and that one where it reached last time, and that one here. And by the way, all those ones we give it here for people to enter long in those things, my friend. Last time we give you to enter from here to here. Last time we give you to enter from here to here, and all those times also we enter. Now, as you see, my friend, what is it there? The market is falling, and I think it's going to fall down till here, or maybe till here. We don't know exactly. Me personally, I think it's going to fall down till here, till that level here, and I will tell you why. Till here, if you see that one here, that peak, that one, that's where it's going to fall down until here. So you draw in there something. So the market is going to fall down till here to touch that trend line. Also we draw here, and to touch that zone, to touch that trend line here, and to touch that zone also we said here, that one here, and that one here. So you just came there and you draw in a line. So the market is going to drop till there, my friend. And another thing here, very, very, very important here in the volume, my friend. You need to see it and to be careful with me. If you see here, from that here, and that one here, my friend. Here in the top, we got there a line as you see it. And here down, as you see, my friend, you got a divergence, my friend. That's why I told it's going to drop till here, till that level here, or maybe till here to touch that level here. Also, we drawn before we retrace before here. So we don't know what's going to happen, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. And even here, he tried to blow it for you, as I told you before, a double top like that. Not yet confirmed, but I tried to blow it for you, my friend. But that one, to trade it, you need the market to do for you like that, AM, like that. Then you came to the lower point of it, you draw it like that, so it needs a candle to come and to close below that line. So that line is going to be here. So the market, it needs to come down and close below it, my friend. Everything is too clear? So let me show you our indicator, what it's saying, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, my friend, as you see it, also we are going to enter now in the orange area. And I told you yesterday here you need to sell. You can find it in our previous video. I told you last time from here to buy. I told you last time from here to buy. I told you to take a profit here. And now I told you to take the profit here in that zone, my friend. Now what's going to happen, my friend? That one here is going to fall down till here, my friend. It's going to fall down till that zone here, the oversold area. Then that time you're going to enter, my friend. If you want, when also we're given exact signal. The only things you need to do, my friend, is to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification. So also when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified and you're going to get free signals, my friend. Everything in front of you, my friend. So now there is no entry, no nothing. We just wait here, my friend. I'm talking here about day trading or swing trading. I'm not talking here about long-term investment. People, they know what they're doing. Everything is too clear, my friend. So that's it for the video of today, my friend. See you when the daily candle finishes, my friend. Bye for now.